ज्योतिष के क्षेत्र में अपनी सफलता का परचम लहरा चुके ज्योतिष गुरु श्री के.एन. राव के हाथों मेडल से सम्मानित, अपनी सटीक भविष्यवाणी के लिए सुप्रसिद्ध और ज्योतिष अलंकार एवं ज्योतिष आचार्य अवार्ड से सम्मानित ज्योतिष आचार्य रमन जी।
Hello friends, this is Acharya Raman, Vedic astrologer since last 20 years. Today we will take up a new topic which would be traits of a native as per their sign or Rashi with respect to their physical appearance, mental tendencies, love and marriage, health, personality, cautions, finances, profession and their domestic environment. We will do all this in a very simple and easy way which even a person who is not very much familiar with Vedic astrology would understand quite easily. Also friends, if you like my video, then at the end of it, please do comment on it, share it, like it and also please do subscribe to my channel. So friends, let us start with this interesting topic, astrology the easy way, taking up the next sign or Rashi which would be Pisces Rashi, the last sign. The lord of Pisces is Jupiter and favorable gemstone would be yellow sapphire. Now the physical appearance of Pisceans would be, Pisceans are generally of short stature, of plump body, short limbs, full of fleshy face, pale complexion, tendency to double chin, muscular and spherical shoulders, big and protruding eyes, soft and silky hairs, wide mouth and inclining to corpulence, especially in their later years. These are the physical tendencies of Piscean natives. Now the mental tendencies would be, they are quick in understanding, inspirational, versatile, easygoing, good-natured, changeful, psychic, emotional, fond of music, passionate, affectionate and charitable in nature. Sometimes they are secretive, reserved or mysterious in their way of doing things. Also they are philosophical and lead a romantic life. Now love and marriage for Piscean natives. Pisceans will remain attracted to the romantic life, prefer beauty of partner and intellect. They are suspicious by nature towards partner which kills their love, but they like flattery. They should not select any partner who is free with all. Since Piscean is a dual sign, the person will be affectionate but reluctant at times, whereas other moments they will be amorous and affectionate. Will lead a happy married life. They love their children who are also affectionate and successful in their lives. Now the health of Piscean natives would be, being a watery sign, one will be addicted to drinks. The person will suffer from gastric troubles, affliction of bile and feet is denoted. This sign governs ankle, feet, teeth, left eye and diseases indicated are consumption, tuberculosis, tumors or mucus troubles. Planets in Purbhadra constellation shows abdominal tumor, enlarged liver and enzymes deficiency. If in Revati star it causes deafness, general nervous debility, cramps etc. Sun in Pisces produce perspiration of feet, chilliness, intestinal troubles due to lack of blood supply and typhoid. Moon denotes drinks, overdrugging the system. Mars indicates fracture in the foot, deformities, piles, inflammation in bowels and hernia. Mercury causes nervous debility, deafness, tuberculosis. Jupiter in Pisces denotes swollen feet, perspiration, and enlargement of liver, abdominal tumor, deficiency of enzymes and intestinal troubles. Venus causes gout and also troubles with intestine, whereas Saturn causes rheumatism, foot droop, tuberculosis or dropsy. These are the diseases related with Piscean natives. Now the personality of Pisceans would be, they are kind, loving, truthful, sympathetic nature natives. Also, they are courteous and hospitable, restless, helpful, and humane. Lacking generally in self-confidence, self-esteem, they are modest, timid, and they cannot harm anyone. Being a dual sign, Pisceans are puzzles to others and to himself even. Cannot be steady, mostly sweet-tempered and social. Also, they are led away by the fancies and new ideas. Also, polite and modest. At times, they are over anxious and become disheartened, indecisive, and lacking in life and energy. Also, they are of varying moods, over liberal, and keep hopes on others' promises. Rely friends, and many a times they suffer at their hands. Also, they are addicted to drinks, love psychic and occult sciences. Now, the conscious needed for Piscean native would be Pisceans should not rely upon all their friends. They must be very choosy about them, as they will not be sincere to them. The friends, a few of them, will outwardly be honest but inwardly scoundrel, cheat, and selfish. Avoid suspicious nature and varying moods. Cultivate, push, be generous, and do not be over liberal. Do not be contemplating and dreaming always, and they should not entertain and relies on others' promises. Now, the finances part would be Pisceans have food business ability. They are endowed with wealth and power. They do not relish the idea of being dependent on their children in old age, so they keep the money safe for their period in old age. They are helpful to needy persons and make advances of money to those who can repay on demand. They have plurality of interests. Now, the professions of Pisceans would be Pisceans are successful as accountants, bankers, music and opera houses, cinema, occult sciences, actors, and they have good business ability and can be successful as licensing officer, managing director, or a chairman. Best suited for navy, shipping corporations, etc. Deals in drinks, oil, beverages, cosmetics, chemicals, medicines, and education department. Pisces can not concentrate or do hard work, but if they are compelled to do, then they are very methodical, persevering, and industrious, true, sincere, and honest in their work. The professions connected with Saturn will result in losses and should be avoided by the Piscean natives. Now, the domestic environment would be Pisceans have many friends and are happy to entertain them at home. Wish to have educated partner in life and have good children. They love happy domestic life and are very affectionate, thoughtful in their married life. They do not get tired and carry out a romantic legend of lovers. Tempted to fancies of life, and with every petty phase their fancies will be wanderings. Hope friends you like my video, and if you did like it, then please do comment on it, share it, and also please subscribe to my channel. And if you need any consultation from me, you can WhatsApp me on 9911351351, or you can log on to www.astrologerraman.com. Thank you friends.
अगर आप भी समस्याओं से परेशान हैं और समाधान पाकर अपने जीवन को सुखमय बनाना चाहते हैं, तो जाने माने ज्योतिषाचार्य आचार्य रमन जी से मिलकर इन सभी समस्याओं का समाधान प्राप्त करें। 3341 सेक्टर 23 हुड्डा, गुड़गांव, हरियाणा 122001। हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स हैं 09911 351 351, 08130 201 201। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.theindianastrologer.com।